biggest threats to the FBI, the NSA, and their counterparts in foreign governments.
Применять какие-то приемы, чтобы взламывать.
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick editing tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to blur faces and other objects in Premiere Pro. There are multiple ways to do this, but I'm going to show you what seems to be the fastest and most effective way to get the job done. Yeah, so to start off, let's find our footage and drag it into our project. After that, right-click your footage's thumbnail and select a new sequence from clip. With our footage open, find the area on the timeline where you need something blurred out. Now we're going to clip the section that we want the blur effect to take place rather than having all our footage keep unnecessary effects in the effects controls tab. To do so, I'm gonna put my cursor where I wanna cut, and with the clip selected, hit Control and K at the same time. This should create a line or a cut in your footage. After that, go to the end of where you want your cut to end, then do the same thing before. Now you should have a clip dedicated to what you plan on blurring out. Now with the clip selected, open the effects tab and type in mosaic. Drag it onto the clip in the timeline. At first it's gonna look very pixelated and blocky, but that's okay. In the effects controls tab, scroll down until you find the mosaic effect. In the options below it, change both the horizontal and vertical blocks to 75. Now it should look much less pixelated. Okay, so we now want to change the area that is pixelated. To do so, we're going to create a clipping mask that allows us to crop out certain sections of a video that we want to edit specifically. Under the mosaic effect, we're going to create an ellipse mask. It should create a circle in the center of your sequence preview while unblurring everything outside of it. Now click and hold on one of the circle's points, and while holding Shift and Alt, you can drag your mouse up or down to resize the circle. After that, put your cursor in the middle of the circle and it will turn into a hand icon. This allows you to change the position of the blur freely. Now we're going to take it a step further and animate the blur so it stays with our subject. To do so, we're going to have to keyframe our mask path. Set your timeline marker to where you want to start moving the blur and press the mask path stopwatch icon to create a keyframe. After that, we're essentially going to just keep pressing our space bar to start and stop the sequence while we adjust the position. While doing so, you'll see that keyframes are being automatically created each time you move the position of the blur. Now, when you preview your clip, you can see your blur active and animated depending on how you've done yours. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something out of this. If you enjoyed this video, you can always support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or would like to recommend the next video, leave a comment down below. Thanks everyone.